Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is February 23rd, 2021. It is 2/23/2021, and it is day 94. And this is Ava DuVernay. Ava is an American filmmaker, and she won the Directing Award in the U.S. Dramatic Film Competition at the 2012 Sundance Film Festival for her second feature film, Middle of Nowhere. She was the first Black woman to win this award. And as we continue celebrating Black History Month, here's what Ava has to say. Be passionate and move forward with gusto every single hour of every single day until you reach your goal. And again, this photo is courtesy of the movement. Because of them, we can. Please stand to salute our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. Please be seated for the morning announcements. Morning announcements are brief today. Teachers, please check the daily email for information about today's PLC with Keys to Literacy. And as we continue to celebrate, I'm going to introduce you to another young man who is also a speaker and very passionate about what he does. He takes a look at life and finds joy in the little things, and he's a big dreamer. Here we go. This is Naeem, otherwise known as King Na.
Think about a sneeze. We all know that sneezes are very nasty because whenever a bacteria or a germ enters your body, your brain fires up a defense mechanism, and then air pumps up in your lungs. It comes out very fast, and then achoo, all that slime and snot and stuff comes out. But that's a good thing because we got all the bacteria out of us. But now if we held it in, all that snot and disgusting stuff is going back down your throat. And that's how people get sick. But it's just like your dreams. You have to release your dreams. Put them out in the world. And then people will say, it's amazing. If you hold in your dreams, you become sick. You become stressed because you feel like, you're not accomplishing anything. But that's why it's important for you to let it out. Just like a sneeze. Don't wait long enough until you get angry. Don't wait long enough until you get frustrated and you say, man, I'm not doing anything. It takes consistency. It takes dedication. It is going to get annoying sometimes. It's going to get very annoying. But I want you to remember why you started your dream. And I want you to let that drive you and push you for the rest of your life. And I never want you to hold it in. Show other people your greatness. Show them that you're amazing. Show them that you're powerful. No matter what anybody says, you are great. You are special. You are amazing. Keep pushing. Keep going because you never know how great you may be. Achoo.
And there you have it, boys and girls. Let your sneeze out. Dream big. Put your dreams out into the world. Be inspired. And don't forget, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Have a wonderful day, everybody.